What's going on, YouTube? So today we are going to be making some leads. Pull you off there and I'll show y'all what we'll be working on. So basically what I got is, got two twist lock Linko connectors. I forget the name of those things. Two of them. Got 50 foot of 2 gauge wire, single wire. Got me a ground clamp and an electrode holder. I didn't realize quite what I was buying when I bought these. These are only 200 amp. I'll probably upgrade these, but for now they will work just fine. So yeah, it's gonna be for this bobcat machine. I still ain't got the leads themselves. Well, just ground this thing on 25. I find on my other truck 25 foot is good for each of them. So that's what I'm gonna start out with, and then we'll just go from there. So let me I'll set you up with a tripod and we'll put some leads together. I know this might be a little bit a lot of people may already know how to do this and it's not that big a thing, but some people don't know how to, and I'll try to explain this the best I can, but I'll show y'all what I'm doing. Alright, so bought this from Hayes online. It's a word supply. I found them online. They were the cheapest place I could get welding leads, and it was cheaper than eBay, and it's American made, so I'm happy with that too. I'm pretty sure everything is made in the US here. So altogether it was $123. That was with free shipping. Came here like 2-3 days I got it. 100 foot of number 2 cable, it was $65 for 50 foot of it, so I didn't think that was too bad. Yeah, basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stretch this out, then cut it in half, and once I get it cut in half, then we'll put the ends on it. It's a very simple process, but if you ain't ever done it, you won't know. So in a minute, I'm gonna give y'all a video. Debated on whether to do half and half, but I think I'm just going to cut it in half. No. Thought about going. Should give us 25 foot of ground, 25 foot of single. I thought about going a 20-30 split, but it's alright. This is what we're gonna end up doing. So let me set y'all back up here. And for those of y'all that may or may not know, these connectors go into these twist locks on this truck. So this came on it, which connectors. These are Linko style. Oh, I don't know if they're Linko. They're twist lock. They aren't the two major ones that I know of. I'm probably wrong. If somebody knows differently, please put it in the comment section below. This is Linco an LC40. They do make an LC, I think 20 or 10. 10, I got some in there. They are the smaller, low amperages, which would work for this machine, but this is what's on pretty much any engine drive I've ever had this style. They also have the Dens style, which the Dens is on my little Maxstar. Twist lock as well, but it's just a different style connector. A lot of TIG machines and stuff use the Dens style. Nothing wrong with them. All my stuff is this, so I'm going to keep it other than that little Maxstar. So for my bigger machines, I'm just going to keep it like this. In the future, if I need to make a couple adapters, I will. That way I can use leads and other stuff. But at the moment, I don't really see a point. I don't really have a need for it. Chucky 2009 made a good video about basically doing the same thing I'm doing. He explained these connectors a little bit better than I do. But that's just what I found. So let's get to putting it together. So basically, they're very simple. You just take the screw out. You slide this on there. Make sure you do that. Then you just gotta cut the insulation off. Take your Allen wrench, loosen this thing up. And then just snug it down. They're very simple. Me personally, I like having quick connects. You can get the copper blocks that you smash on these that you can put on the studs and be done. To me, I prefer the quick connects just because you can change things, get committed on anything. Then you don't have to have your leads out and all that. But yeah, snug it down. I need to get some tape, some ready electrical tape or something, and mark the ends of these. That's the problem I have on my other truck, and you do the same thing. I never know which one's the ground and which one's the stinger from the end that hooks to the machine. So if I can do that, maybe put green or red on one, just so I can tell you which one's which. But there's that. Same to the other one, and then we'll go ahead and put this stinger on. Yeah, I should have went with a 250 stinger, but hindsight being 2020. I know for the future. But I don't have any issue. I don't think that stinger's going to give me any issues, to be honest with you. I'll if I do, I can just get one locally, and not a big deal. May as well put this thing on. Twisting that. This is it Flex Supreme, I think. Well, doesn't say, but I'm pretty sure it was like Flex Supreme, Supreme Flex, or something of that nature. I don't really know all that much about welding oil, but about leads, but I've heard that name and everybody seems to like it. If y'all know anything about, like I said, leave it in the comment section. But tighten down these Allen keys, and then yeah, this was the cheapest place. I got everything for a little bit more than I would just pay for the leads. I think I'll end up looking about the leads $80 or $90. All this for $120 with the quick connects. And I was looking, you can get these in pails all day long, but I was trying just to find a single, because I don't need the female version of this. I could have them and keep them around, but I think I already got two sets around here, and that's all I need. So yeah, I didn't really want to spend the money on having an extra one. So yeah, just gonna get these. So that's done. Now we just gotta hook up now we just got the stingle we're gonna undo. That loosens up, and then we got the other end of the cable. It makes no difference what's what at this point. So yeah. Slide this thing on. I'll probably be upgrading this stingle soon. I could have retoned it and all, but if I feel it getting hot or whatever, I won't retone it. I'll just put this on. I got on my Maxstar. I'm gonna need some stuff for that anyway, so I might just upgrade this stuff and take these and put them on the Maxstar. Alright, snug that down. Now, these are very simple to do, so I know this is probably rudimentary for a lot of people. For some people, it may not be. So that's what I'm hoping to help. Normally, I get the not the Lenco. I forget what style I normally get of these, but I want to say Tweako is what I normally get. Maybe not, but. Seem that would do what I want to do. Yeah, that's funny. That's a tiny little ground clamp. I think that's going to be a little bit too small for this machine. Hang on one sec. Okay, so I'm just going to put this on there for now. Probably go ahead and just get me another one, just because I don't really love this at all. It's really tiny for what I need, but it'll work for the time being until I can get another one. I like going with these all brass or bronze or whatever they are style. I was going to take this one off my Maxstar leads and do it. It's a nice, lot bigger size. But I just decided I'll just put this one on for now. I'll pick up another set and then just go from there. I'll probably end up getting some more leads for my Maxstar, because that I want to use. I got like 20 footers, about the same stuff as it on it, which I love. They work out great. The only problem is sometimes I don't need all that cable, so I'll probably just make another set with these with a smaller clamp, and just because sometimes when I go inside, especially if I'm tigging, I don't need all that. So yeah, this is just super funny. I don't know why, but let me. I don't know if I have a pair of pliers. And just make sure to clamp this thing down. Oh yeah, I do. I had a pair. So that would take the strain off from. That would keep it from pulling out a little bit better. I had to replace that with a hose clamp before. Seemed to work out just a little bit better in my opinion, but I'm not using the right pliers to do this neither, but alright, there you have it, y'all. We got 2 sets of leads, so I don't have a helmet with me today, so I won't try them out. But yeah, it's all set. I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Talk to y'all later.